What's up, everyone? It's Tony, back again with another video that's going to save you some serious cash. If you're tired of shelling out big bucks for Microsoft Office, and honestly, who isn't, then you are in the right place. We're talking about free, powerful software that can do everything you need. So stick around, because by the end of this, you'll be wondering why you ever paid for Office in the first place. And before we start, I've even got a special deal for you on the best one. Before we begin, please ensure you click the download links below the video to try out all these features for yourself. Totally free, of course. Alright, let's kick things off with my personal absolute favorite, the undisputed champ of free Office software, WPS Office. This suite is an absolute game changer. It looks and feels so much like Microsoft Office, you'll barely notice the difference. You get a fantastic word processor, a spreadsheet program, presentations, everything. Plus, it has a built-in PDF editor that's incredibly robust for being totally free. Seriously, if you only try one from this list, make it WPS Office. It's available on basically everything: Windows, Mac, Linux, even your phone. Next up, we've got LibreOffice. This one is a classic in the free software world, and for good reason. It's open source, which means a huge community of developers is constantly improving it. It's super powerful, has tons of features, and is compatible with all your Microsoft Office files. If you're looking for a solid, reliable, and endlessly customizable option, LibreOffice is definitely worth a look. Coming in at number 3 is Google Workspace. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just Google Docs? And yeah, it is, but it's also Google Sheets, Google Slides, and a whole ecosystem of collaborative tools. The best part is that it's all cloud-based, so you can work from anywhere, on any device, and collaborate with your team in real time. Additionally, it's universally compatible with documents from everyone else. Super convenient. For our fourth pick, let's talk about ONLYOFFICE. This is another fantastic option that offers a really clean, modern interface, and it's super compatible with Microsoft Office formats. They've put a lot of effort into making sure your documents look exactly the same when you open them in ONLYOFFICE as they do in Word or Excel. It's got great collaboration features too, making it perfect for teams or just working on projects with friends. And finally, rounding out our top 5, we have Apache OpenOffice. Another open source powerhouse, OpenOffice, has been around forever and has a loyal following. It's robust, stable, and provides all the essential tools you need for word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, and even a drawing program. It might not have the flashiest interface, but it gets the job done reliably every single time. So there you have it, guys. 5 incredible, totally free Office software suites that can easily replace Microsoft Office and save you a ton of money. Go down to those links in the description right now and check them out. Try them all, see which one fits your workflow best. You've got nothing to lose and a whole lot of money to save. I was so impressed with WPS Office that I reached out to them and secured a special deal just for you, my incredible community. If you love the free version and want to unlock even more powerful features, such as advanced PDF editing, unlimited templates, and 20 gigabytes of cloud storage, you can upgrade to WPS Office Pro at a massive discount. We're talking up to an 80% discount, and to make it even sweeter, they've included a 30-day free trial of the Pro version so you can test drive all the premium features with zero commitment. Just use the download link in the description below this video to get started. It's an exclusive deal, so don't miss out on this chance to get the ultimate productivity suite for a fraction of the price. And speaking of saving money and getting excellent software for free, you're not going to want to miss my next video. I'm going to show you exactly how to download Adobe After Effects for absolutely free. It's on screen right now. Like this video if it helped you out. Share it with a friend who's still paying for Office, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.